Integrating Monday.com subitems can enhance your workflow and project management capabilities. To get started, first understand what subitems are. Subitems are smaller tasks or components that belong to a larger item, allowing you to break down complex projects into manageable parts. To integrate subitems, begin by creating a new board or opening an existing one in Monday.com. Click on the item you want to add subitems to, and then click on the plus icon next to the item name. Select Add Subitem from the drop-down menu. This will create a new subitem under the main item, where you can add details such as task names, due dates, and assignees. Subitems can have their own set of columns, similar to main items, including text, date, and person columns. This means you can track progress, set deadlines, and assign tasks to team members at the subitem level. To add columns to subitems, click on the subitem, then click on the plus icon at the top right corner of the subitem section, and select the column type you want to add. One of the key benefits of using subitems is the ability to roll up data from subitems to main items. This allows you to track progress and status at both the item and subitem levels. To roll up data, click on the main item, then click on the three-dot menu next to the item name, and select Roll Up. Choose the column you want to roll up in the aggregation method, such as sum or average. Best practices for integrating subitems include using them to break down large projects into smaller tasks, assigning subitems to team members to enhance collaboration, and regularly updating subitem status to reflect progress. Additionally, use subitems to create a hierarchy of tasks, where main items represent high-level objectives and subitems represent the specific actions needed to achieve those objectives. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively integrate subitems into your Monday.com workflow, enhancing your project management capabilities and improving team collaboration. This will enable you to manage complex projects more efficiently, track progress in real time, and make data-driven decisions to drive your projects forward.